Hello, everyone. Today, I'm excited to guide you through the process of finding economics courses for your master's study in Germany on the DAAD website. So let's dive right in. Open your web browser and type in daad.de. This will take you to the main website. If you see the page in German, no worries. You can easily change it to English by selecting the language option. Once you're on the English version, look for the International Programs option. It's usually prominently displayed. Click on it, and you'll find yourself on the page that says, Choose your program. Now, select the course type. Since we are looking for master's degree programs, click on the master's degree option. For the course language, you can choose between English and German. I'll go with English, as my German is still a work in progress. Here comes the exciting part. For the field of study, since we are focusing on economics, navigate to Law, Economics, and Social Sciences. Once you've done that, click on the search button. And there you have it. You'll be presented with a list of economics-related master's programs in Germany. All right, now that we've narrowed down our search, let's delve deeper into finding the perfect course. On the left-hand side, you'll notice some handy options. Here, you can customize your search to suit your preferences. For instance, if you have a specific subject in mind, click on the subject option. I'll choose Business and Economics for our exploration today. If you have a favorite location, you can click on the location option. I have fond memories of studying at Göttingen University, so I'll select the city of Göttingen. Now let's talk about tuition fees. Not all universities in Germany are tuition-free, so it's worth considering your budget. I'll go for the no fees option to find universities without tuition charges. Additionally, you can refine your search based on the semester you want to start. Now, with all these filters in place, I've got one result that caught my eye: a master's degree in the history of global markets at the University of Göttingen. Sounds fascinating, right? Let's click on it and explore further. Firstly, you'll find an overview of the course. Take a moment to read through the details. Get a feel for the curriculum and see if it aligns with your interests. Understanding the course at a glance is crucial to making an informed decision. The course details section provides a comprehensive overview, including the structure of the program, modules you'll be covering, and any specializations available. Take your time to absorb this information. It's like peeling back the layers of what could be your academic adventure. The university has provided a recommended study plan for the master's program in Economic and Social History. By clicking on the plan, you can easily access detailed information and insights into the suggested course structure and sequencing. This study plan serves as a valuable guide, offering a comprehensive overview of the curriculum and helping students navigate through the program in an organized and efficient manner. Here's a brief summary of the academic admission requirements and language requirements for the master's degree in the history of global markets at the University of Göttingen. Academic admission requirements: a minimum of 6 semesters of study leading to a bachelor's degree or an equivalent course with at least 180 ECTS credits. The degree should be in one of the specified study programs, such as Economic and Social History, Contemporary History, Economics, Business Administration, Sociology, or Political Science, or a closely related subject. At least 150 ECTS credits must be completed at the time of application. A specific focus on coursework in areas related to economic and social history, contemporary history, business administration, economics, sociology, or political science is required, with a minimum of 60 ECTS credits, including specified modules. Language requirements: if German is not the native language, proof of German language skills is required. Applicants proficient in English or whose mother tongue is English are exempt from submitting proof of German proficiency. Language proficiency certificates must be current, not older than 3 years at the time of application. Application deadlines: timing is crucial. For those eyeing the winter semester starting in October, mark your calendars from April 1st to May 15th. If you're leaning towards the summer semester beginning in April, the application window is open from October 1st to November 15th. Flexibility is the name of the game. Choose the semester that suits you best. Every program has its unique criteria, so make sure you fulfill them to increase your chances of acceptance. Don't forget to explore the faculty and their expertise. Knowing who will be guiding you through this journey can give you valuable insights into the learning experience. Curious about the costs and living expenses for your academic journey? How much you need to thrive as a student? The semester fees for the master's program amount to approximately €400, inclusive of a prepaid semester ticket providing free access to regional trains and city buses in Göttingen, Lower Saxony, and Bremen. University of Göttingen students enjoy discounts on cultural events and reduced prices on meals and drinks at all university canteens. Regarding living costs, Göttingen offers a modest average cost of around €900 per month, covering accommodation, food, health insurance, and books. Additionally, there are several scholarships available for prospective students. For more details and additional information, you can explore the provided link. I genuinely hope you found this video helpful in navigating the intricacies of your higher education dreams. If you have any questions, thoughts, or even just want to say hello, don't hesitate to drop a comment in the box below. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, keep reaching for the stars. Wishing you the best of luck on your educational endeavors.